Hello guys, we are going to create a program which will display some instructors informations and the student information. So here we have a super class which called person, and we will be having 3 instance variables. The first variable is the name and the age. So, and then we will have a constructor function which will contain name and the age, of course. And then after creating that, we are going to create the other function to display the information, which will display the names and the age. And then after creating that function, we are going to create the other class called the subclass called the student, which extends the person class, which means the student is the children of the person class. And then we'll create private variables like registration number of that student. And then after, we will create a constructor for that class, of course, which will include the age, name, and the registration number. And here we will mention where the super variables we have, which is name and age from the parent class. And then after, we will instantiate the registration number variable. And then after, we will create the other class. We will overwrite the method which is displaying for, because we have it also in super class. So we will do this super.display because it is also included in parent class. And then after, we will display the registration number. We return the user to enter the registration number. So here we will create the other class called the instructor, which extends the person as usual. So, and then make a constructor which will be included the name, age, and the salary. So here we will mention where the variables name and age are from superclass, of course. So we will instantiate the salary. So after instantiating the salary, we will overwrite also the same function which is called display.info. Yeah. And then after, we will merge it with the super. So, and then we will tell the user to the salary of that instructor. So, and then after, we have the main class which is called the university system, which is also the file. So in this, we have the main function. The main class have to have the main class have to include the main method. So we will, of course, we will assign the student class and create a variable using a student class, and create another variable called the IE for instructor, so that we can display. And then after, we will print out, for example, the student details, and then display the variables we created using class dot the function display info, and we will do the same on this. So after doing this, we will try to run. As you can see, we have the information, student details, and the instructor. Thank you for watching. Bye.